Hello, everyone. Welcome to the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner course. And I've hashtagged this course the Awesome Series because AWS is awesome. You can follow this series by subscribing to my YouTube channel or following me on TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook as TheKloudWiz. Now, a little information about me. My name is Isaac Tando. I am an AWS trainer, a DevOps engineer, an AWS community builder, and I am an accredited AWS Restart instructor. I hold the AWS Certified DevOps certification, the Solutions Architect certification, as well as the Cloud Practitioner certification. As a trainer, I have trained hundreds of students globally, and I'm here to guide you step by step into the world of AWS. You can also connect with me on LinkedIn as Isaac Tando, and I'll be more than happy to connect with you. Now, a quick look at who this course is for. So if you're an absolute beginner, somebody looking forward to switch careers, a tech professional who is curious or new to AWS, and a certification enthusiast, then this course is for you. In this course, you are going to learn cloud fundamentals. So I'm going to take you through the core concept of cloud computing. We are going to explore the AWS global network. We are going to explore AWS core services across compute, storage, databases, networking, and others. We will then look at the tools that AWS offers to protect your systems and data, and as well as how AWS charge you for using their services. By the end of this, you're going to feel confident using AWS services and as well as sitting for the AWS exams. Now, I've structured this course in line with the official AWS Cloud Practitioner exam domain. So domain 1 is going to focus on cloud concepts to help us understand the basics of cloud computing. Domain 2 is going to now take us through security and compliance. So we are going to look at how AWS help us protect our services by offering us all the tools that we need. Domain 3 will all be about key AWS services and their service offerings. And we'll then draw the curtains down on domain 4 by looking at how AWS charges us for using their services, and then also where to find support in the AWS cloud. I'll try as much as possible to keep the video between 5 to 10 minutes so that it will be easy for you to follow and you can also fit it into your day. Now, for you to get started, you need a laptop or a desktop computer with reliable internet, a free AWS account, which I'm going to guide you through in creating one, be able to read and then write English, and you should be able to use the computer and the internet. Now, a little information about the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam. It's an entry-level certification which covers the basic cloud and an AWS concept. It is a globally recognized certification, and you don't need prior AWS background to be able to go through the course. Now, why would you want to certify? It validates that you have foundational knowledge in cloud computing and in cloud computing concept, regardless of your background, and of course, helps boost your career prospect. It also helps you gain confidence in cloud discussions. Okay, so that will be it for this video. In the next series of videos, or in the next video, we are going to look at basic computing concepts. All you need to do now is to subscribe, like, share, and turn on notifications. The name is TheKloudWiz, and I'll see you in the next one.